new chapter is unfolding, a new era of sisterhood, unity, and empowerment. Okwesilieze magazine, a distinguished product of a timely and visionary partnership between Excel Global Media Group and the revered Okwesilieze Women's Club of Nigeria International, DMV and Diaspora USA, has arrived. This special edition stands as a proud tribute to the strength, beauty, and brilliance of Igbo women across generations and continents. Saturday, June 21, 7 p.m. to 2 a.m., Capitol Event Center, Lahan, Maryland. Join us for an unforgettable evening as we mark the inaugural induction ceremony of the DMV chapter of the Okwesilieze Women's Club, a historic milestone in the club's legacy of excellence. This is more than a gathering. It is a movement, a legacy, a celebration of womanhood. At the helm of this inspiring chapter is the dynamic and visionary Chief Iyom Nwanneka Onuako, Mother Millennium, Ado Mogo Nidi Ndieze, Ojidole Mogo, whose leadership has united Igbo women in the diaspora under our powerful banner of culture, strength, and progress. On this iconic night, 12 extraordinary women of value and substance will be formally inducted into the Okwesilieze Sisterhood alongside Mother Millennium. Dr. Lolo Abubugu, Nnuturora Irene Ugweje, Dr. Margaret Ngozi Opara, Dr. Chinyere Adibe, Ogbuife Chinyeremugo Okwosha, Dr. Kwesi Promise Amadi, His Royal Highness Ocheze Ruth Mbakwe, Lady Beauty Edith Nwanyoma Anoforo, Mrs. Chinwe D. Umera, aka Ada Jesus Odiokonamba, Kwesi Lady Elsie Ilabachie, Iyom Ugbenugo, Ojinwaye J. Joyce Jack, Dr. Gladys Afam. Each of these women represents leadership, service, and enduring commitment to community uplift and cultural preservation. In a show of unity and national support, the U.S. leadership of the Okwesilieze Women's Club, led by the interim national president, Honorable Kwesi Chief Mrs. Pearl Oguchi, Adadiohamma, Nwanyi Bolosoya, Obidia, along with national executives and presidents of other chapters across the country, will be present to witness and bless this historic launch. The highlight of the evening will be the unveiling of the Okwesilieze DMV Excel Special Magazine, a keepsafe publication that encapsulates the spirit of this monumental partnership and the journeys of women whose dreams transcend borders. Born from a vision that took root in Enugu, Nigeria in 1978, Okwesilieze has become a voice of empowerment and a guardian of tradition. June 21 will be remembered as the night the DMV chapter took its rightful place in the global narrative of Igbo excellence. Be part of the celebration. Be part of the legacy. Be part of history. Come ready to witness greatness. Come ready to be inspired. Come ready to be part of something iconic. Don't miss it.